Up we go. Okay. Okay. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, wild man. Yeah, wild man. I'm glad you didn't crash. That was cool.
I pulled too hard.
Right at that tree.
Yeah, man. All right, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here we go.
Okay. People are. Not you and me. I don't ever know that at 47 years old I'm gonna be comfortable hitting features quite that big. Okay. I guess I don't know why I rolled around that. That thing's just gonna get worse and worse. Whoa, hey. Kind of dives off right there, huh? Okay, let's see if I can get this clean. Let him go a little far in front of me. Okay. Really low me here. It's a little steep up here. And we have a drop. Let him go. Okay. That's totally the drop, bro. This is the chute right down here. Boy. Okay. Nice pull. How you feeling?
Yeah, nice ride.